everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. I hope everyone has registered to vote. I hope you all are voting this November. Thought I'd just throw that out there. I'm not telling you who to vote for, but just vote. This is one of the most memorable voting elections that I can remember. So anyway, let's get started. This was sent to me by an Etsy shop called A Lifetime Ago Vintage. Terry Spring is the owner, so thank you very much for sending me this box. This isn't the first box I've opened. I will link the other box up here. That was about a year ago. I did a collab with a bunch of ladies, and me and Spangies ended up getting a mystery box for I'm Spangies, and it was a vintage mystery box. And then I got a mystery box as well, and I opened it on my channel, so I'll link that up here. This is a Christmas mystery box. She has lots of different mystery boxes. She has from extra small to very large ones. And then if there's something in particular that you're looking for in a mystery box, because maybe it's a gift for someone, you can reach out to Terry and let her know what you're looking for, what type of things you're looking for, and she will try her best to accommodate that as best as possible. But let's get started. Let's go ahead. I already zipped this. So let's get started. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Looks very full. Oh, I'm so excited. And this is a nice little letter she sent us. I'll post this on the on my community tab, so you can go ahead and read that. But just to reiterate, this is A Lifetime Ago Vintage on Etsy. Terry is the owner, and it just says, just read one little part to you. So it says, my mystery boxes come in 5 sizes and price points. There's extra small to extra large, $24 to $79. This one, medium, sells for $44.95, which includes $11 to $14 in shipping, depending on the destination distance from Arizona. So she is located in Arizona. USA shipping is included with all my boxes, so there's never a costly surprise when you go to check out. And again, like I said, if you want to, if there are any specifics that you're looking for, you go ahead and reach out to her on Etsy and let her know, you want all red, maybe all blue, maybe all yellow, or a combination of. Maybe you're looking for some really nice old vintage Christmas ornaments. That seems to be like the big hit. And I will list her website down below and her Etsy shop. If you let her know that Sandy sent you, she will throw in a special surprise. So go on ahead and check her out. Again, don't forget to mention Sandy, and she will throw in an extra little something for you. And let's go ahead and get started. Look at the way it's packaged. Isn't this lovely? This is so adorable. I don't even want to open it, but here we go. Okay. So what do we have here? Oh, we have Home for the Holidays, volume 7 and 5. So we have some cookbooks. And this is from the Veterans of Foreign Wars. That's what it says on the back. And they're nice. So let's just log cabin beer stew. Oh, so that's what it looks like on the inside. They're very clean copies. They're really nice. And here's another one. I mean, you can tell just by the recipes that it's old. Oh, this one's a good one. Maybe y'all can make this. It's called Sandy's Crunchy Cheese Chicken Bake. So it's right there. Let me know if you make that one. So you get just 2 holiday cookbooks, and I love these. So it looks like, I was gonna say mantel. I'm trying to think of the word. She did write down what it was. This is a dolly. I was gonna call it mantel. Oh, look it! I can't wait to put it up. I decorate so much for Christmas. Oh, that looks lovely. Look at that. Let me see if I can get that in there. Isn't that pretty? It's so cute. So that would be nice. It's gonna go. I think I'm gonna put this on my Kitchen Island. There's some more. So this is a nice little box. See, she packages everything so nicely. So like I said, if you're giving it to someone for a gift for Christmas, this makes a one-of-a-kind gift as well, because there'll be no other box like it. All of our boxes are different. These are so cute. I can't wait to wear these. I have no Christmas earrings. There you go. Oh, now where did I drop it at? Well, you know what? I'll find it in a minute. But there's two, I promise you. Oh, here it is. Here's the other one. See, can you see those? Aren't those cute? The candy canes, they're golden color. That's adorable. I'm trying to get it so you can get a better look. Can you see it like that? There you go. So that's pretty. Little earrings. And oh, I like so much. Look at this one. Isn't this adorable? I'm afraid to open it, you guys. I'm gonna try to open it carefully. Let's see. I know, I'm such a dork. Maybe because I want to put it back under the Christmas tree. Okay. I don't want to mess up the bow. So like I said, you just reach out to her and let her know you're looking for a specific piece. I mean, that's how I did it. It's Christmas in October. So excited. All the Christmas decorations are already in the store, and Halloween hasn't even passed yet, okay? That's the way it is. And then I hope everyone is doing well with this whole COVID situation. I know the numbers have spiked again, at least out here in Chicago. So they placed more restrictions. So I hope everyone else is doing well. So here's another box. And of course I put on my Halloween nails, so I can't open anything. So let me know how everybody's doing down below in the comment section. I'm going to start to be a little more consistent with my videos. I'm working out less, but everything is wrapped so beautifully. I know she wrote down what she had in the box, but I just want it to be a surprise, you know? It's a mug. Oh, I like this one. Oh, I don't know why. It just makes me feel fancy. I forget the what is the name? There's a particular name for it. She just has a ceramic mug with a S Charming Santa scene. It is cute. Look at that. Look at that. I think these are called, oh, what are these called because of the bottom? If you know what they're called, let me know down below. A Christmas tree. And then inside, see that? It has Merry Christmas on there. This is actually really pretty. Some hot cocoa and like a candy cane. Ooh. Okay, so that's, so far we've got the dolly, the cup, the mug, and the holiday cookbooks and the earrings. So let's keep going. Look at that. More items. Look at this. Everything is just so cute. Terry, I'm going to put a lot of the stuff back under my Christmas tree. It's just so beautiful. So thanks again to Terry, A Lifetime Ago Vintage. Again, I'll link that down below. What is this? Oh. You know, she said I needed scissors, but I always grab these cuticle cutters or something. Let's see. I was like a kid at Christmas, like trying to hurry up to open this. Oh, oh, how cute. Oh, but I think she broke. I might have broke her. But it's okay. No, she's not broke. She goes in there like that. Oh, she's fine. This is so adorable. From 2004. Look at that. isn't that pretty? So that's one side and that's the other. Oh wow, I'm actually not gonna hang this on my Christmas tree, but I'm gonna put it with the rest of my, I have like this section where I put a lot of my like houses, like a little village type of area, and this will go right there with it. Oh, that says sweet shop, and there's candy. Look at the candy, candy's so detailed in there. Seen that? And then the little dog and the little girl. This is actually very cute. And let's see, this is the last one. Yes, this is the last one, but everything is so, man, they would just be like opening gift after gift after gift. Now, let's see the next one. I told her, because she asked me, like, is there anything specific you'd like in the box? And I was like, I love everything Christmas. Whatever you choose, whatever you want. I have no, you know, I'm not worried about it. Just put whatever you want in there. I'm fine. Let's see. But like I said, if there's any specifics, maybe you just want, maybe you're looking for a box of ornaments only, or maybe a box of mugs, or, you know, if she can accommodate that, she will. Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna put a picture of myself in here. And then we have this adorable frame. So that's that one. So everything, again, what did she say this retails for? What is this? This is $44.95, which includes the $11 to $14 shipping. So that's a good deal. So this is a medium-sized Christmas mystery box. Medium mystery boxes contain 5 to 6 beautiful pieces that will include a combination of lighter and heavier items, fragile and not, larger or smaller, with a combined weight of 2 pounds. So you get 2 pounds. Oh, she knew I was having a hard time with the word, and she boudoir. It probably still butchered it. Can you see that? She put the pronunciation for me there. Boudoir. I probably still butchered it, Terry, but thank you for doing that. Oh, she's a teddy bear's mystery box. What else? I was looking on her website. Barware, cookbooks, home decor, jewelry, boudoir items, kitchen, teddy bears, and of course a Christmas. I think the one I opened was a boudoir. I think I'm just butchering it. So again, let Terry know that Sandy sent you. If you make a purchase, she'll throw something extra in there for you. But again, she said it's 5 to 6, right? 5 to 6 pieces, and this is the medium box. Again, we'll go through them. So this is the mug, which is Christmas. Everything's Christmas. What was I saying? Santa on a Christmas tree. Then you have this beautiful frame, and again, everything will be one of a kind. So you're not, if you send 2 boxes to two different people, they're not going to get the same items in the box, especially if you ask for like specifics. And then we have another ornament, which is so cute. And we got the earrings. This time I'm going to do it so if they fall, I can catch them. We got earrings, candy cane earrings. I can't wait to wear these. I don't think I have anything Christmas. I only have one pair of Halloween earrings, which I'm not wearing today, but I will. We have the cookbooks, which I can't wait to do. And with everybody doing TikTok nowadays, I will make, hopefully we'll make some TikTok videos with these cookbooks, or maybe a few YouTube videos as well. And then we have this beautiful dolly, which looks like it's handmade, I think. No. Yeah, it looks handmade. Or am I tripping? I think it is. You tell me. Doesn't it look handmade? But I'm going to go ahead and this will go on my island in my kitchen. And that is it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items came in this box, and this was the medium. But like I said, if you let her know that Sandy sent you from YouTube, she will give you one, she'll throw in something extra for you. So again, thank you, Terry, for giving me this box. I appreciate it. Again, everyone, this is a lifetime ago vintage on Etsy. I will link it down below as well. She also has a website. I'll link that as well. And I feel like I feel so special. I received Christmas presents. Go ahead and let her know that Sandy sent you. And I hope you enjoy your box. Like, she's got lots to choose from. She just doesn't have Christmas. If you're not into Christmas, or that's not your thing, don't worry. She has lots of other mystery boxes. Go ahead and visit her. You know, she is a small business, so we like to support our small businesses, especially right now with this whole pandemic is just driving me crazy. But I hope everyone is doing well. Please let me know in the description box how you're doing. And again, I will list the boudoir box that I opened about a year ago. I will list it up in the, you know, up there somewhere. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate you being here. And first, I'm gonna save all these. I hope you all are doing well. If not, please let me know in the comment section. I always like to brighten someone's day. If they're not having a great day, I, you know, might just send you something to say. Hope you're doing better. So again, thank you all for joining me. Again, a lifetime ago vintage down below. I'll let her know that Sandy sent you. These are lovely gifts. I enjoyed my box. I really did. I really like this ornament. I really like. I should be Sandy Sweet Shop. I should put Sandy right there. Again, thank you all for hanging out with me. Until next time, hasta laterz.